and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, more B8.5 S5 mods. That's correct. I did a little poll on the YouTube and 71% of you said you want to see more modification videos. So I said, all right, we can do that. Today, we're installing the AWE intake. Super pumped to get this on. Super easy install, by the way. You can do this at home by yourself. However, I am choosing to do it with some friends. It just makes it more fun that way. It just makes it a little more entertaining, a little more, you know, one of those deals. You get what I'm trying to say, I hope. Pretty fun stuff, if I might add. So if you guys are new to the channel, want to see more, hit subscribe. We just hit 10,000 subscribers. Very, very thankful for that. Stick around, stay a while, like the video, and we are on our way to our friend Jimmy's shop. I said shop. It's more so a driveway and garage, but that's exactly what we need to get this stuff rolling. I'll meet you there. Well, she's out. All right, we got the old stuff out. So what we have here is the new filter, some hose clamps, this little zigzag Z-boy is what we're gonna call that. And then the new carbon covers that I ceramic coated earlier. Pretty clean. Can we get expert analysis? What would happen if I ran without an intake?
It makes more horsepower.
If I started my car and gave it a couple revs.
You boost the atmosphere. The air.
That or just cap it right now.
Big fan of the environment.
Just close it.
Weld it. Shut.
Weld it shut.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Jeez. She's going in, ladies and gents. Mr. Igor's hands look like that, so mine can look like this. All right, it's the next day. We ran out of light yesterday. It's getting a little dark, just like it does every single night. So it's to be expected, but we wrapped up a little bit late. We're having fun. I want to get some inside the cockpit kind of noise just to see if I can hear it. I'm gonna see if we can get some open road to kind of, yeah, like I said, get that interior shot, see if we can hear any sort of difference from the inside of the car, because it is noticeable on the outside, I will say. I do want to mention it's not overwhelming. There is certainly a difference between stock and the AWE system. So I know IE and 034 have kind of louder options, but if you want something that's a little more tame, but still is a big difference and you still get that performance, I think the AWE one is going to be good for you. If you guys want this exact same one that we did the install on, instructions were super easy. Like you guys saw, literally pulled up a QR code. and it gave me like a 12-page PDF on all the instructions, everything you need. Igor ended up doing most of the work, which is like awesome. So go follow him if you guys haven't already. Super clean SQ5 build, and he's a ton of help. So big thumbs up for that. Gonna let the car warm up for a second, go drive around. Also gonna get the car washed today, and probably gonna hit Woodward Avenue because it's 90 degrees. It's a beautiful Friday. We're gonna see what's out. So just based off those couple baby little pulls, I can't really hear a lot on the inside. I know the performance is there. It sounds good from the outside, especially from the front. I'm also on a residential road in the middle of the day, so I don't want to like speed and go crazy. So from inside the cockpit, it's pretty tame, not a huge difference, but I'm sure if you had stock exhaust, you would be able to hear a difference. Since I got the AW Touring exhaust on my car, the lower RPMs have been louder. Oh, geez, these roads are horrible. That's just something you gotta consider. Jesus, rock chips. It is a big difference on the outside, I must say that. Inside, a little bit. I gotta change lanes, man. This is unbearable. I hate Michigan roads. I'm getting a little distracted, I apologize. Let's get this car washed and hit Woodward. I'm excited to see what's out today. We got the spot. Just hit Dugan's for a little dinner, and now it's time to wash cars. Saw an Aventador Roadster earlier, which was, oh, speak of the devil, that's hilarious. What are the odds I just say that and it shows up? Well, 765 LT. Woo! Lots of stuff out actually tonight. I had a hunch there was gonna be. Ladies and gents, thanks so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy and want to see more modifications, content like this on the channel, make sure to stick around, hit subscribe. And until next time, we'll see ya.